Welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so outside today again on the work site. Yeah, we are work on the HQ. So today we are lining out the building, you know what I mean? We start dig out the foundation. So we are lining out right now and start digging out and thing and work I go put in. So y'all just stay locked in and clock, you know, we are work on the thing, you know, so y'all stay tuned and just watch the journey, you know what I mean. Remember, like the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, so HQ we are work on, that is it. So go on now. Yeah, line out, you know, we are line it out and line out the foundation and thing. So that one outside today. So I'm gonna do the lining out.
Hold on, come back with it. Let me see. Yeah, that now look bad.
So them are line out and things. So stay tuned until when them start digging and thing. Yeah, and see the local view from here. Yeah, that's the river down there. Yeah man, so outside put in work, them are line out the foundation. My line out and thing. And then I go start digging. Yeah. So work we are work, you know, and on a chicken we are jerk. Yeah man, one Peter over here, you know. And the bee right there. So them are line out eating, you know.
Hold on now. Hold on there. Alright. Carry fear one. Carry fear one to the top side a little bit.
Big finger bar is here.
Yeah man, carry a little bit top man. May I watch it. Carry a little bit to the top. Down back. Down back. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Just stay there, sir. This guy. Now let's start here. What if I stick on this wall? That can't live. Yes or no?
Next side the mud, you know. Yeah, look like we are going with something Peter to the rock. See what I go on now. I line up the next side.
All this water.
So I'm line out and things. So stay locked in, clocked in. Beautiful day. Got a little tangerine tree right here, so you know. Never really bear much before, but hope say it go bear proper this year. Yeah.
That can't live. So when the foundation dig, we catch a better spread. That can't live, that's it. Yeah. Yeah man, that alright, here we go on now. Think about it now. Let me see something now, right here. 10 feet, 7 feet there, sir. Yeah, this just want to come down a little bit more. Now go put on one little stick. 10, 7,
Man, so right now, I'm line out all the foundation. Dig out, mark out,
yeah. Good, yes.
mark it out and thing.
You know what, dig no wide down there.
So that's a mark out already. Mark it out,
Right up.
sketch it out. Sketch out, dig in.
After then, the stick that can move, you know. That's 18, yeah. You could all just cut piece of stick, you know. What, you know? You can just measure up some stick. Why 18? You don't need nothing, you don't need nothing more on this. Chop off a piece of this, why 18 on two sides. If you want to get this at 18, you just drop this in our middle, in our yard. The 18 right also. Cut it off right there.
Oh, so I dig out the foundation now.
I don't have a cut that piece of thick that jump in there before I see it. I can't pick up what I never had a thick. So we find a thick and I say, bad.
Say, bend up.
Yeah, I'm go viral, you know, that pick fire, you know.
Yeah?
You can't sing a viral.
Yes,
Yeah.
pick a tick, bend up like a sexy girl.
Yeah, pick a thick one, I tell you.
Yeah. Rockside fully active. So we are going there now, Peter.
Hmm?
We are going to do now.
Me?
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Yeah.
no, mama tell you something, I go and grave dig it today.
I go to grave again.
Them a dig one grave and I'm a neighbor.
Okay.
So, me I say, I want to show my face now. Before I get, me I go spend an hour and left them.
Okay.
Now I go wait for them the whole day there.
Okay,
But I'm a
okay.
neighbor, so.
Yeah,
I'm a next door neighbor. I live here, so and them live there, so. And next yard to me. As I step out of the yard, I ain't for them yard. So it don't look away.
Next door neighbor.
Yeah, it don't look away, you know. And me and them don't live bad.
Yeah.
We and them live good. Them are in a sun around them.
So we are going to just go and dig this then.
No cup.
Yeah, man. So foundation and dig out, you know. Fully active on the site, you know. Peter over here, so the fork. And thing, so. It's a small building, but it will take a whole heap for see me out. We just start. All about start, you know. Mr. Peter, just start.
Yeah, no, they cannot start.
If you don't start, you're not going nowhere. It's over here, so. You go good.
If you don't have a start, we have it.
If you have a start, man. You have to start somewhere in your life.
We are going to use foundation now to too deep, you know.
Okay. Master, because we are use stone when I dig a foundation too deep, you know.
But we are going to dig it, sink it on a level.
Sink it on a level.
Enough of my part, it's enough of my part, the round saw plow carrot gum, because I would my soon go find her.
You have blank carrot?
No?
Oh.
Bird is my family, one of my brother-in-law.
So making a plan, man.
Yeah?
Or you not deal with carrot?
I'm not so much time. I did coffee already.
Oh, yeah, deal with coffee already. I'm not seeing a hermit. I don't see no worm. I'm buying them there. That is it. One stay locked in and clocked in. Yeah, work up put in.
Floor, not tile the floor. Same day when I cast the flooring, I tile it with stone.
You say stone? Ah.
What kind of extraction?
You pull on your card. You bust on your card, so.
But I both
Yeah, man, so. Ah, like a cocoa that down there.
cocoa in a drum now, see how much. And there's a big cocoa now. Not throw
Yeah.
over too much to the corner. And the corner there. What the corner then? Throw to in a middle. That's when I have shovel too. We don't have to walk with one shovel. So I work with a next time I can my shovel come out upon it. Listen, we eat a tangerine root, if you come out there, so.
Yeah.
We now got cut here. Now just big tooth and left it. The big one.
Mm-hmm.
Box stone over it. That now do stone nothing. Righteousness one. See little, what I have to say, the little 2 inches what I have to tell about. By the time we done the foundation and build the wall now, we have all our measurements in them because the 18 cover it.
Yeah.
So any little thing you know, I want to jack the stone now, we are getting the right square. We don't get the right square.
Oh, yeah, say a 2-inch down if it a dig.
Now go?
Yeah.
No, we just a dig it to a mention. We won't stop.
Oh.
We just a dig to a mention.
No, I understand. Me that try understand where that say.
Generally we dig it 18. Generally we dig it 18 down there. But we don't must dig it 18 now. Because of stone.
Okay.
You know, and a building where we have the decking and all of them shit. And on a block we are on. You know? So we don't need to go 18. We can go 12. We can go 12. When down measure come up, so we don't. I will get 12 inches. We can take it 12 inches and then we can do it here, so. And we make a step up there.
Yeah.
So we dig in here, so. Go to more here, so. Dig it to and sink it. Then we dig here, so again, but we make a step up like dig it, see me.
Yeah.
But to it step up, we don't have to make a step up. We can just do it running scene. We don't have to make a step up. And the stone I will carry back right up on the leg.
Yeah.
When you pack down so, come up, and when you reach up so, I see him packing go out, so you catch the same level there, on top. So you have to have your level on top of it when you go out there. You go straight in the bank. Because your building can't stay so, you know. So you have to have a level, go back out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. When that's when we are building the wall. I'm not give you no phone on this thing. I give you something where simple as that little building, I want base and little lifetime building. Nothing for more right now. I must add the hard to it.
Yeah.
Now we're done with it. I must add the hard to it. I must add the hard to it. Now we're done with it.
Yeah, man. So see how it come along, you know. Still there upon it, you know. I bust the line now.
Yeah, the line kind of good enough. The line is not good there. The line jam on. Whole line jam. I know what you're doing. There's one is thick. I have to know. That's the thing. Sticker.
Measuring stick. Use a measuring stick. Go on the bank, you know.
Go so far. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it from up, so where you start. Where you jump, you pick a look at, you can start do it from right up. And up. So at the day now, Randy, when we are cast this, yeah man, them the chop off man. Them the can't do it, you know. When we are cast this,
Yeah.
yeah. So now when we are going to put the stone from here to there. Stone now come from here, so we walk around to come round,
Yeah.
and feel well square. You catch? Yeah. And that there, we are going to square it around here. The reason why we run the card, we have to get this straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to run the card to line up the building.
Alright, so come on, see? Go on. See you, man.
No more.
You can't right here, so I dig. Right there, so foundation stuff.
Stop all that.
Vine.
But you don't have to go up no more. You know. I just down and say you square. Square to the corner them and sink it. While Babylon do say take another dog from sea. Take up the car.
Copy what? Oh God. This one to copy. A stone and roll back. Hey daddy, roll up back your card bunny. Just roll on the back. Have to take it, tie up on a stick. Or pull off. See, level up there already. That's one level, man.
Most of the dirty are come out in there, you know. I don't know if I'm fully up working. We are going to have this to the side. We are going to use it. We are going to the side. We are using it.
Alright, so right here, so we leave it for today. Yeah, man. So it's all gone for today. We have to check in at the grave digging and thing, you know. Lady drop out running in the community, so we have to show our face, show our support. So stay tuned, stay blessed. Remember, like the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. That is it. Stay blessed, stay humble, surround yourself with people and things that are good for you.